Hello, everyone. It's Veronica. Welcome to my garden here in Illinois, Zone 6A. Today I'm going to be planting up my new garden bed treasure chest in my new European Elegance beds. I'm going to be planting Monrovia, Golden Spring Alyssum, Orange Blaze Napophia, and Blue Diamond Delphinium. And also this intense classic celosia from Monrovia. This is going to be an annual for me. And also this beautiful verbena from Monrovia, neon pink verbena. Just love the color. Needs 6+ hours of direct sunlight, blooms spring, summer to fall. The Golden Spring Alyssum, it needs 6+ hours of light, blooms winter to spring, and it's hardy to -20. And this is the Orange Blaze Napophia. Needs full sun, blooms early to midsummer, and is hardy from zones 5B to 9. And this bed, the treasure chest where I'm going to be planting these, I want all bold colors. Beautiful dark burgundies, purples, yellows, orange, silver, gold. All bright colors like beautiful gems. Okay, let's get to planting. So this is the garden bed where I'm going to plant them. And right there in the middle is the Alstroemeria that I have planted a week ago. And I want to fill it up with nice colors like a treasure chest full of gems and gold. And this is the new garden European Elegance beds that we built and installed, and I added the mulch in the walkways. First I put cardboard on the bottom, and then I added like 3 bags of mulch to cover it. And then on the outside I lined up the beginning of the walkways with some pavers just to keep the mulch in place. So let's get planting before my battery runs out. I'm adding compost and bone meal to the planting holes. It's really good soil. I've been adding compost all throughout the fall and the winter, so it's ready for planting. So this is it. We're all done. And it looks really nice with the bright colors, the verbena, the hot pink, the Nyphofia, orange blaze, the Stomeria with the celosia from Monrovia, and the neon pink verbena from Monrovia, the golden spring alyssum from Monrovia, and the blue diamonds delphinium from Lowe's. My treasure chest garden bed. I love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.